The benefits of periodic adjustment are to keep the body functioning at maximum. The brain controls everything through the spine. When the brain is working correctly, you have the proper impulses coming through to the body to keep the arms, the legs, and the internal organs at maximum function. When there are blockages, what starts to happen is the body starts to slowly die off. So periodic adjustments keeps that power from the brain to help the body become a self-healing organism and to get you at maximum function.